Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am your physics teacher. My name is Edi Sagar. I welcome to all my students at UpSex online support program. This is my lecture for class 9th, unit number 5, gravitation. Week 2 and lecture number is 4th. The contents of my topics are gravitation, law of gravitation, introduction of gravity, explanation, example, mathematical relation with the Newton's third law of motion. First topic is that law of gravitation. As law of gravitation is defined as every body in the universe attract the other object with a force that is strictly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between their center. And now we look at the diagram. And this is a body of mass m1 and other body of mass m2, and the distance between their center is labeled by d, and F is a force that is acting on m1 by m2 in that direction. At the same time, m1 also attract the body m2 in opposite direction, that is labeled by minus F. This force of attraction depend upon the magnitude of the masses m1 and m2, that is directly proportional to the masses. So we can say that if the body of the greater masses, then the force will be also greater. If the bodies are of smaller masses, then force of attraction will also be smaller. That's why we can say that force of attraction between these two bodies is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance. As the distance of m1 from the m2 is d, also the distance of m2 from the m1 is also d. That's why we take the square. So F is inversely proportional to the square of the distance. This is level equation 1 and this is equation 2. If we combine the equation 1 and 2, then we get the equation F proportional m1 m2 over d ka square, when proportionality is replaced by the sign of equal and constant. Here the g is the proportionality constant and g is proportionality constant and known as gravitational constant, and its value is 6.673 multiplied by 10 to the minus 11 Newton meter square kg inverse square. Next question is that what is the relation between the law of gravitation and Newton's third law of motion? Now look at this diagram. This is a mass m1 and m2. As first of all, I recall the definition of the Newton's third law of motion, that is defined as every action has its reaction equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. Let when m1 attract the body m2 in this direction, that is action, and at the same time m2 also attract the m1 in the opposite direction, that is labeled by F, that is the reaction, that is represented by F. So we can say that law of gravitation is also constituted with the Newton's third law of motion. The homework of my today lecture is make 3 MCQs related to the topic, define third law of motion and give its relation with the law of gravitation. And please do this work in time and submit in time. Allah Hafiz.